In this video, we are unboxing and replacing the rearview mirror for the Ford F-150 2014. The rearview mirror, the right front mirror, the left front mirror, adapter wiring harness, retaining nuts, and spare bolts. The following are the tools needed for installing the rearview mirror. Screwdriver, small 8mm short socket, small 6mm long socket, trim panel pry tool, 11mm ratcheting wrench, 10mm ratcheting wrench, small flathead screwdriver, small torque wrench. Open the door. Using the small 6mm long socket with the small screwdriver, remove the door panel retaining bolts. Pull the door handle and use the trim panel pry tool to remove the inner trim cover. Using the small 8mm short socket with the screwdriver, remove the door handle retaining bolts. Lift the door panel upward and pull it outward to remove it. With the door panel removed, we can see the 3 mirror retaining bolts. Remove them using the 11mm ratcheting wrench. To loosen the 3 mirror retaining nuts. Once loose, use the small flathead screwdriver to press the connector locking tab and unplug the connector. Remove the rearview mirror. Here is the old versus new rearview mirror. Now let's proceed with the replacement. Connect the adapter harness to the rearview mirror. Remove the bolt protective cover. Connect the mirror harness to the vehicle harness. Align the mounting holes and install the rearview mirror. Install the retaining nuts. Using the 10mm ratcheting wrench, snug the nuts. Using the small torque wrench, with the small 10mm long socket, torque the rearview mirror retaining nuts. Torque specific, 6 Nm, 4 foot-pounds. Reinstall the door panel. Align the holes and install the door handle retaining bolts. Align the holes and install the door panel retaining bolts. Reinstall the door handle trim cover. Close the door. Install the right side mirror with the same procedure and same torque spec. The installation is complete, and it's the power on demonstration.